Hi guys, hi friends. Today I'm doing something new. Let's see what's in my fridge. Let's go. So I'll start from here. So we've got butter, this garlic butter, this other butter, this is brie cheese, this is blue cheese, this is halloumi, this is triangle cheese, this is the vanilla bean paste, this is long grass paste, and these are, don't know, souvenirs. Okay, burger sauce, sweet barbecue sauce, and another sweet barbecue sauce, and Nando's perinese sauce, salsa, yeah. Then garlic sauce, saucy sauce, and Scott bonnet. Yeah, well. Then we've got these lovely stretchy cheese strings. My daughter loves it. These ones are pizza flavor, so not really my thing. Pepperoni. A little bit of tomato puree left. Of course, apple juice, milk, some skimmed. Yeah, a little bit of wine left. Another pastrami, la la la. Then we've got Gouda, cheese, maple syrup, yummy yummy. So for now, only this bit. I will spare you the horror at the moment to go into this thing. Oh my lord. And you see it's full, but most of the things will be cooked, like the courgettes, the potatoes, the mushrooms, fennel. So I think I'm going to make a soup. Oh, I've got these mushrooms. Brilliant. Thank you for watching. Bye.